How about a ride, mister?
What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna crack open half a dozen premium cars, and we're gonna start off the video with this one right here, Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno. And this one's got some really colorful anime type graphics on it, and of course it is from the Mountain Drifters, which is the entire set we're gonna crack open right now. Now I know I'm late to the party. I've been meaning to get these for a while, but I finally jumped on it recently, and I'm very glad that I did, because look at this little beauty. How cool is that? Sorry about that. Just got a call, and I could not avoid it. Had to answer it. But anywho, check this out. We got us our anime girl with pigtails and blue eyes. Very nice. This casting always has side view mirrors. Got some TE37 rims. I'm not sure what's going on right there on the bumper, but I'm sure it's cool and anime related. Some more fun stuff on the back. Very nice taillights. Very nice. Rolled up clear windows and a black interior. Right hand drive, of course. Got those headlights popped up. And there's our black metal base. And of course, it's got rubber tires, as all of these cars will in today's video. All right, next one up. This is a first for me. I don't have any Celicas in my collection, and this is a 95 Toyota Celica GT4. Very nice. I'm older, so I definitely remember seeing a lot of these on the road when I was younger. Pretty cool little car. Very nice. Some polished 5-spoke wheels, side view mirrors again, which is very nice. The details on the front are exceptional. Look at that. Very nice. Got a big wing. Taillights look amazing. Yeah, this is a real nice casting. Oh, we got a little roof scoop there for whatever reason. Again, rolled up clear windows and a black interior. Very cool. Check that out. That is nice. Very cool. All right, let's put it right there next to the AE86. Let's see what we got next. Next we got us a 3000 GT VR4. In this country, also known as a Dodge Stealth. Very, very cool. Obviously, this is the best one to have, the VR4. Awesome. And boom, there it is. This used to be my starting car on Gran Turismo 2 back in the day. And I got some scuffs in the packaging. I mean, and these are fairly new, and it's already got roof scuffs in the packaging. Dang. I'm sure I could polish it out, but that's just crazy. Again, side view mirrors, so 3 for 3 so far. Again, amazing details. I mean, Hot Wheels is really killing it with this set. Really nice rim selection. Premium 10 spokes. Details all the way around. The wing is metal. Very, very nice. That is badass. Yep, there's definitely a time when that was a highly sought after car. Very cool. Very stoked to have that. Next one up, R34. We got Godzilla, and this one is a Liberty Walk version. Very awesome. Super silhouette. I'm guessing that's the name of the body kit. This one has a little extra plastic to protect it. And here it is. Wow, big heavy casting. Holy smokes. Amazing. Black 5 spokes this time around. Really cool livery. The tempo work is great. Big metal wing. Every detail is crisp and clean. Got a big diffuser up front. Or is that more like a front spoiler, I guess? But wow, the R34 headlights are perfect. Everything is so clean. There's the side exhaust, I imagine. We've got us a roll cage made out of yellow plastic, which is awesome. love the tampo work on this machine. It's so cool. See, there's the diffuser right there. Looks like it's ready to go climb Pikes Peak. This thing is brutal. There's, of course, a chase version of that, which is all black. Which, of course, would be cool, but not necessary. And last one up from this set, there's one more after this, but this is the last one from the Mountain Drifters. This is beautiful NSX Type R. Absolutely bonkers. This may be one of the best car culture sets ever released. This is just amazing. Every car is fantastic. And this is the cherry on top. Beautiful white 10 spokes, beautiful championship white paint, lensed headlights, Honda emblem, being a true JDM car. They don't really have Acura over there. Everything's Honda. Absolutely amazing. Again, metal wing. You got something going on right there, but I'm sure I can polish it out. Probably more package scuffing. Oh, this thing is nuts. It's so sick. It doesn't get much cooler than that. Well, there's one thing that comes close though, and that is this. Check it out, you guys. It's a beautiful Back to the Future 87 Toyota pickup truck. Bonkers. I'd love to have one of these in real life, and I would do it exactly like this. Is black on black for days. This is a reissue, of course. Hot Wheels got smart when they saw these cars going for almost 200 bucks on eBay. They're like, hey, well, we should maybe go ahead and re-release those, and they will definitely sell out. But unlike most of you guys, I'm gonna open mine. Even though it was expensive, I paid 35 bucks for this little truck. It was basically the same price as this entire set of 5 over there. But in my opinion, totally worth it, because look at that. Got some package dust on there, sorry about that. But holy moly, look how amazing. Details for days, those awesome fenders, which are actually metal. Got some off-road lights up there. Side view mirrors again. This, oh man, this NSX doesn't have side view mirrors, otherwise we're 5 for 6 in this video. Awesome. Perfect. Rims and tires. Glossy metal base. I think this one was glossy too. Yeah, it's a glossy metal base also. So sick. I hope you guys get this casting. They're available now on eBay for around $30, $35 more or less. But I bet you, even though that they mass produce these, I bet you they're gonna sell out at some point soon. I might get a second one. So much package dust on this black. I need to really polish this. But man, that is just amazing. Absolutely amazing. Very cool. But all right, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Monday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos about once a week, more or less. And if you're into collecting little cars like I am, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video, and I will catch you dudes next time.